Hi, everyone. Today, I'll walk you through the process of creating an account and registering for the Toefl test. This step-by-step guide will simplify and clarify the registration for the test. Start by searching for Toefl ETS on your browser. Click on the first link, the Toefl IBT test, if you wish to enroll in this specific exam. You will be directed to the ETS website, where you'll land on the Toefl registration page. Click Register Now to begin. You can either create a new account, which takes 2 minutes to do, or you can sign in with an existing one if you already created an account. I'll be signing in with my existing account, as you can see. After logging in, you'll have an option to choose between 2 tests. You'll notice there's a great deal for purchasing 2 tests, maybe for you and a friend, but if you wish to purchase 1 test just for you, you can select the second option, as I am doing. Next, enter your location to find the nearest test center. This applies to any country you live in. You can also click on the Use My Current Location. The website will show you the available dates for doing the test online at home or in a testing center. Select the date and timing that works best for you. Here I'm looking at the different options I have that best suit me. The timing for the online test does not work for me, so I'll be doing my test at a center option at United Arab Emirates University at 10 a.m. After selecting the date, time, and test center that you prefer, save and continue. You will then be directed to a page where you can enter your agent code if you have one. This would be a discount code shared by your agent. In my case, I do not deal with an agent, so I'll proceed with confirming my details and continue to cart. In my cart, it seems like I have already selected a test previously. I will make sure to delete the one that I do not wish to take and proceed with the test details I have selected previously. In this step, you can modify your cart if you wish, like adding a test prep. You can also add a voucher or promo code, which would get you a discount on your total amount. Finally, proceed to payment. After checking your cart and order summary, you'll proceed to payment, where you'll be directed to the payment page. Several payment options will appear, like credit card, PayPal, and Alipay, where you'll choose the payment method that you wish. I will select credit card and fill in my card and personal details to pay and finalize my registration. That's it. I hope this guide helps you with your Toefl registration. Best of luck.